My Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. I like to call it a heist because it paid me. Yeah, this is $87.59 worth of goods, and it was all said and done. They paid me $9.49 overage. And yes, that total does include tax. So whenever I post a video, I'm always including the tax because there's no way around that. We're paying it, you're paying it, everybody's paying the tax. So you can also do this deal as $77.11 worth of goods, and you're getting paid $11.47. Just take out the Zinc and the Advil, and you can do the deal that way. So anyways, I'm going to be posting a video, uploading a video on the first day of the sale. So please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right away on the first day of the sale, and you can do them the rest of the week. So this is for the week of March 11th. Today's March 11th till March 17th. So the reason I did so good, again, I had another competitor coupon. I had a Sprouts coupon, which was $10 off of 50. And, I recommend, contacting customer service at your Publix and asking them what competitor coupons they accept, and then see if any of them, maybe even call those stores, see if they have any coupons available. But regardless, if you didn't have this coupon, the $10 off of 50, you could use your $10 off of 50 Visa prepaid gift card, and you're getting $5.05 off of 50 because there's a $4.95 fee. So anyways, either way, if you do that, you're still going to have a money maker of $6.52. So let's get right into what I got here. So first, one of the best deals here was the BIC razors. These were $5.99. They have $2 off this week on sale, so they're $3.99. There's a $4 manufacturer printable. All the links to print the coupons are below the video. I got a very detailed breakdown of what I got. I got all the links to print the coupon, and there's also a 3. If you can't find the 4, you got a $3 off one. That was from the March 7th Smart Source, so you still got a good deal on that if you can't print this $4 off. There's also a rebate for $5 off. Now, you got to spend $5 in BIC letters, so obviously I'm over that. $3.99 each. That's $7.98. Now, on the rebate, it says that this is after coupons. So if you're just going in there and you're just buying these, they're going to see that their coupon take off, coupon take off. Since I got so many items here, they really can't prove that I used a coupon for these, because in my Publix and probably your Publix, they'll just say vendor coupon, and they cannot prove, because I got all this, they cannot prove that that vendor coupon went to these items. I definitely hope they're not watching this video. I'll be in trouble. So what else we got here? We got the Sundown vitamins. These are $5.19 or $4.99. Some of them, the vitamin C is $4.99. But anyways, you got a stack in these manufacturer printable. Links below to print that, and $3 off from the extra savings. So that makes this 19 cents each. I had a Publix digital coupon for this. So I think it's $3.79, or I think it's actually on sale for $2.99. Regardless, it's completely free when the Publix digital coupon comes through. Same thing with this, it's $4.29. Now this is in the frozen section. This is kind of hard for me to find the first time, but it's in the frozen section. It's $4.29. Publix digital coupon comes off. $4.29 off your total, makes it completely free. These are on sale, BOGO $6.99 this week. You use the manufacturer coupon from the 1-3 Smart Source if you still got those around. You're a smart person. So and there's also a bottle rebate for $1.50 off each. Made these 50 cents a box. Stonefire Nan dippers. These are on sale for $2.50 this week. They're ready $3.99. Didn't matter. I have a completely free coupon. I got the links below to print that. So I made those completely free. Dove Men Plus Care. This had a $2 off 2 from the extra savings, and don't worry, I know this March 12th that goes away, but I think it's in next week as well. It's $3 off from the save off of those too, so you're good to go. Makes those, I think, 66 cents for both of them, 33 cents each when I include my high tax. Anyways, we got the Zinc. This was $5.99 with 2 off and 3 off. So I made that 99 cents. This was $4.49 with $1.50 off and 2 off. $1.50 off came from right there, your $2.28 save, and the store is there. So once again, please subscribe to that funny looking guy right there. Check out more times I got paid to shop. Once again, paid to shop.